In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your dashboard in ClickUp. We'll start right from your workspace, so make sure you're logged into ClickUp and looking at any list view. This could be a list of tasks for a project, a team, or any space you're already working in. From here, we're going to create and then customize a dashboard that actually reflects what you care about. On the left-hand side, find the workspace where you want this dashboard to live. Next to that workspace name, you'll see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that. This is where you can add different types of views and tools to your workspace. From the options that appear, select Dashboard. This tells ClickUp that you want to create a new dashboard view connected to this part of your workspace. You'll now see a list of different dashboard types you can start from, such as task management. Choose the type that best matches what you want to track. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on a task management style dashboard, since that's one of the most common use cases. Once your dashboard opens, you'll see it's made up of several cards. The first card is an AI executive summary. This card automatically gives you a high-level overview of your work. In the top corner of the card, click the three dots to open more options. Here, you can duplicate the card if you want a similar summary for another dataset, delete it if you don't need it, or open the settings to change which table or list the summary is based on. This is useful when you want a summary for one specific team, client, or project. Next, look for the card that shows tasks completed this week. Click the settings icon on this card. You can configure the data source by choosing which team space or area of ClickUp it should pull from. You can also fine-tune the data itself, like changing the time period or choosing whether to show subtask parent names. This helps keep your view clean and relevant. Another card on your dashboard shows workload by status. Again, click the settings icon. Here you can customize the display. For example, switching to a 100% stacked view or showing a legend so it's easier to read. Under the data options, you can change how things are measured, such as counting the number of tasks, and adjust options like group by, show, and sort by to match how your team thinks about workload. You'll also see cards that show the total number of unassigned, in progress, and completed tasks. For each of these cards, open the settings. You can change the data source, what exactly is being measured, the units being used, and even the position of the metrics. This is useful when you want to highlight certain metrics more prominently. There's also a card that displays total and open tasks by assignee. Use the settings icon to change both the display and the data. For example, you might adjust it to focus on only open tasks or to show assignees from a particular team space, making it easier to see who is handling what. Another important card is labeled tasks due this week or overdue. Click the settings icon here to customize the layout and other display options, so it fits better with the rest of your dashboard. Below that, under data settings, you can choose which fields are visible, how tasks are grouped, how subtasks are handled, and even export the view if you need to share it outside ClickUp. Finally, keep in mind that if you choose another type of dashboard, such as one focused on project management rather than task management, the cards and customization options will be slightly different. The overall approach is the same though. Select the dashboard type, then use the settings on each card to tailor both the visuals and the data to your needs. By walking through each card and adjusting its settings, you can turn a basic ClickUp dashboard into a powerful